Oh, it had to go. It had to go for 4. Colleagues here cranking things up and asking for a champagne supernova over. 6 will do it. This disappears for 6. We've got extra time, folks. Can it happen? Will it happen here in Wankiti?
This is good bowling. After he was smashed off a full toss for a 6, he's bowled it wide off the off stump. Not easy to get hold of the shot from there. Lasith Malinga going to Rohit Sharma, giving him some advice about field placing. Once again in the IPL this year, we have come to the last ball and the match can be won. Well, only by Mumbai Indians. Could be a tie if Pandey hits a 6. And I can tell you, nobody in this commentary box is keen on overtime.
Thank you, Sonny Gavaskar.
Only one who can say it.
You just never know. A lot of tension here and a lot of discussion about this last delivery. We've had Kyron Pollard come up. We've got Rohit Sharma discussing lots here with Hardik. Now let's check out the boundary riders. Where does Hardik Pandya want them? Certainly at very straight long on, long off. You've got another sort of wide long on because Pollard is very, very straight. Here we go. Last ball of the match. Hello. We've got extra time, baby. Here we go again. Super over. You better believe it. Manish Pandey and Sonny Gavaskar has called it here. 162 apiece after 20.